Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate a princess photo shoot image using AI. So go to Gemini and paste this prompt here. Just gonna edit that. I will put the prompt in the description box down below. Then I'm just going to place this picture in here. And then I'm going to go to Tools, Create Images, and I'm going to press Submit. And I'm just going to wait for the image to generate. You can use obviously your picture. This is just not my picture, but you're going to select Generate. And again, I will put the prompt in the description box down below. And you can also change the color of the dress if you'd like to. But that is it. Super cute. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.